Hey guys, it's Alicia Monet and I am back with another video because I haven't done a video in so long, but currently I'm in my classroom, as you can see. And it looks a mess. This is stuff that I bought on Amazon, sponsored by TQRP, Booz Allen. So yeah, I'm about to turn my music on, so really you're just gonna see me cleaning up, grading some papers, moving some stuff around the desk because talk too much. So I'm gonna try to fix the desk around so it can be how I want it on Monday, because today's Friday. Oh, today is Friday. There's no kids, as you can see, and it is 11:16 and they're not here because we call those ELBC days, so extended learning behind the computer. So that while they're at home working on work that they're supposed to be working on, we are here, meetings, cleaning our room, grading papers, whatever you need to catch up on. So that's what I'm about to do. So you're gonna see me maybe putting some stuff in the shelves, organizing, moving things around, grading papers. You won't be able to hear what I'm listening to because copyright, but I will play music over the videos. So if it looks like it's like weird, that's probably gonna be why, because I'm gonna be listening to something totally different than what you guys are gonna hear. So bye. So I want to pause my music for a minute because I want to move this somewhere because they're book bags. You might be wondering why I'm out of breath. I'm drinking that lemonade and I'm doing a lot of moving around. That's why I'm like talking like this, because I'm like out of breath a little bit. But I'm trying to figure out where to move this to because, oh, and y'all, my little things fell from the ceiling. I don't know how it did that, but all of them are still standing or still rising. This one fell to the ground, so I don't know what happened with that one. But I'm trying to see where I want to move that. They usually put their book bags inside of it because there's not enough room on the hooks since this is in the way. But what I might do is I might move that closer to me over there, and I might put their books and stuff in there, like these kind of books, just so we know where things are. Because at first I used to keep them under my desk, but now I just want my space to be for me. So I might just put stuff like this in their math books all in there. And what I might do also, I need to put grades in, but I'm trying to get this stuff done because I can always put grades in any day. What I can't do is stay and clean up every single day. So I'm trying to organize how I want things done. And they got these little bags from our school. They got these bags. So I'm about to take a seat. They got these little bags down here. It pretty much has everything, like a composition notebook. It has pencils, which are going to be for me because they always need pencils. So those are mine. And I'm going to like organize their things in there, like crayons, color pencils, all that, glue, whatever the case may be. I am going to, and they got a pencil pouch in there. So what I'm going to do is, for example, they have all these things. What I'm going to do is I might go ahead and like this, I'm going to go ahead and put their name on it. So everybody has their own color, or not own color, because they're all different colors, but some of them are the same. I might go ahead and put their name on it and give them at least 4 pencils for the week, because they're always losing pencils. I don't know how and understand how they're losing pencils if they put them in their black tote. You can't see the black tote, but literally they have a black tote that they keep all their materials in. I don't know how they're misplacing items. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put their name on it, put like 4 pencils in there, some crayons. Oh! Some crayons, some markers. They don't really, well, we don't really use markers like that, so I might hold on to these. The main things I need for them to do, or the main things I want for them to have, are pencils. They need to be sharpened. I might put some color pencils in there, or I might just stick the whole thing of crayons and color pencils in there, a glue stick, and I might give them their own, I might give them a new one of these, because I do have some black ones that they've been using since the beginning of the year, but they're not really familiar with writing in these books like they are. But I could say on the first page you see, if we already wrote on the first page, you know, flip it to the next page that's available, and they are like, flip it to the middle of the book, and I'm like, look at all those pages that you have not used. Like, that's not the purpose of the book. So I will for sure be putting names on these again, because they have black ones, but this time they gave out new composition books, and I will be putting their names on a new composition book. And I might just let that black one, they can take that black one home, or I don't know how I want to do it yet, but something needs to be done so we're not losing materials. And I might actually go through and get a couple more black totes. These black totes right here, those totes right there. That way, only two people can fit their totes. So I have like long tables in my room, as you saw. I have long tables. The 2 people on this side, y'all share that tote. The 2 people on this side, y'all share that tote. So each person in each tote will have 2 different colors. So there should be no reason. When you're done with your pencil, put them back. And I have little erasers that I might give them, because they like to break that eraser. Then when I ask for one, when I just saw you breaking it just to get an eraser. Because I have like the ones that look like crayons, the erasers that look like Crayola crayons. So yeah. And I have a meeting to go to at like 1 o'clock in the building on Zoom, but it's in the building. So I don't know where we're gonna meet for that, because we have to be in the same room on Zoom on our own laptop, but from the big board. Yeah, but that's basically what I'm trying to do. Also, I didn't tell y'all I got a new hair color. Yeah. So yeah, I'm about to turn my music back on, and whatever y'all do see is what I'm doing in the moment. I'm really just jumping around. I'm really just, like, if I look at something, I'm like, oh, that needs to be fixed like right now. I'm going to go to that corner, and then I'm like, I look over there, and I'm like, oh, I need to fix that first. So I'm like flipping around. But I also need to laminate stuff too, so you might see me laminating some stuff too. So, bye. finished. And as you can see, I fixed the desks. So you can see that the desks are fixed. Remember I said I was gonna move the little cubby that was back there. I moved it over here. So boom. And yeah, everything looks good. Don't mind that back little table over there because I'm gonna fix it when I come back on Monday. But this is pretty much, I forgot to put my numbers across the like my number line, but it's okay. And I put the cubbies up there because now I want them to grab it from, and don't mind my ashy hands because I was like working all day, so I'm about to go put lotion on them. What I was saying was, they be distracted when you put stuff in front of them or beside them. They like to touch on different items and they don't like to focus. Like they can be messing with the random things, and if the notebooks are up there, when it's time for instruction or like we're not doing anything and I didn't give any instruction, they like to take their notebooks out and draw and do all that when that wasn't the instruction. So to cut back on all that, they will be placed in the front, and you only need the certain items if I tell you to get the certain items. So nothing will be at the desk. It's not accessible unless I give it to you. So that was really the end of my video. I don't really have anything else to say or do, so I will see you all later and at another time. Bye-bye.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and it won't lay.